I'm Raconda Williams,
And my name is Rodney Williams.
and we are in love with Eric. We are in love with the Hawkins Heating and Air Conditioning. We got a geothermal system about a year ago now. So in around August of 2007, so we've been able to see fall, spring, summer, winter, experience all those
Right.
areas, and we love it.
And the geothermal system is it's a very clean system. And it's better than the conventional system because we had a conventional system before, and we do also see some type of a difference in our bills now. Even though the prices have gone up, we still feel it in our pocket as far as the savings that we have. And plus, we don't have to. It doesn't have to run as hard, to heat or cool the house. You know.
We also have a 6-year-old son who has asthma problems, and one of the things that I was concerned about is having clean air. And Riley is his name, and Riley will be 6 years old in October, well, in a couple of weeks. Excuse me. And the air is very clean, so we're happy about that. You can walk around in a clean house and not worry about his asthma problems.
And as far as Eric Hawkins, his company is concerned, as far as his customer service is concerned, he just blew us away with that. We interviewed several people about the geothermal system. There's only a few people in the area that do it. And Eric's name always came on top. And it seemed sort of funny, too, because after we started talking, after we started signing the deal, we found out that we knew his mother.
Right.
And we had done some things with his mother before. But the thing about it was, we were already sold on Eric, before we even found out about these personal things about him. But one thing that I can say about Eric is his customer service is when everything was just out. Like we had all of the windows were out and they were putting the system in, and it was in May, mid-May, almost in the May. It was getting hot. He came over with his son one day and just brought us some window units.
Right.
So that we could stay cool in the house upstairs, and so we wouldn't suffer, that we could be comfortable upstairs, and that is really good customer service.
Yeah, number one customer service. So in terms of price, quality, customer service, all of those elements were key ingredients that we look for, and we were just very pleased, very satisfied, and we love our geothermal system.
And it's very efficient, and as far as the price is concerned, he just outpriced everybody else, that we met, for the amount, for the quality of the material he put into the house, and for what he was going to do, as far from the ductwork down.
So if you're considering any type of system, our situation was we needed a new heating and air conditioning system. So we thought geothermal would be a good way to go because my husband Rodney had done some research on geothermal. And we're so glad we did now because of the way the economy is now. We're saving money. My son's asthma, we don't have to worry about that. So all of those elements brought into our decision to go geothermal, and we're very glad we did.
So if you're ever thinking about getting another system, it's eco-friendly, geothermal system is the way to go, and Eric Hawkins is the man to see.
Most
Okay?
definitely. Thank you.